About 6 inches. Perfect. One of the reasons I got this Cuisinart mixing bowl set is because I've got a little spot in my kitchen for my mixing bowls that I use, and it's about 7.5 inches clear. And I've got an assortment of bowls in there right now that tend to fit, but I wanted something a little bit more compact and organized. So that was really why I bought this. So I just want to do a little bit of unboxing here and see what we have. Cuisinart has always been a brand that we have liked. We did get a food processor for our wedding as a wedding gift, and still have it 36 years later. And
37.
Okay, 37. Excuse. I knew that, honey. Donna Baker, my lovely wife, on camera today. So Cuisinart's always been good. We've had their stainless steel cooking, skillets and things like that that are nice. And then I think we've got a toaster oven. I don't know, probably at least 10 or 15 years, still going strong. So the brand did make a difference. So what's my first impression? Pretty solid. I like that. It's kind of neat. It's got this little bit of rubber right here that looks like it'll be nice to, if I'm pouring out. It does have a spout on each of these. So I do have the spout, but it doesn't compromise, it looks like, I would say, inside. That spout doesn't compromise the workspace inside. I can still do what I need to if I don't use the spout. So that's a little bit of a smaller one. If I want to use, make pancakes, the grandkids come over. We like to make ube, purple pancakes. They just love them. And this would probably be good for that, because we make a lot of them. And the purple would look pretty with this green. It does have non-stick, so that makes me really happy, because if the kids get up and decide to help me make those pancakes and they are using a spoon, this will reduce the chance of this going off the counter. It'll stay on the counter solid, I'm assuming. So 3 sizes. All 3 sizes look like they're going to provide some utility. I really kind of like the medium and small sizes here, because these come in very handy. Whisking up eggs, making scrambled eggs in the morning, whatever it might be. I think the utility of these things are going to be very good. And again, I'm going to be able to stack them neatly in that little spot that I was talking about. For now, things look really nice for this Cuisinart bowl set.